Have you ever wondered how artists take their art to the next level? Well, today we're going to find out by drawing Itachi Uchiha in a 1-hour versus 10-hour challenge. Hello, I'm Sarate Arte, and today I'll show you how to draw Itachi Uchiha with a unique twist. We're going to split this drawing into two parts, one to draw half of the face in an animated style and the other a bit more realistic. We're starting with the hardest part, drawing half the face in an hour. The key is speed and precision. Let's focus on Itachi's most defining features, his piercing eyes and his enigmatic expression. One of the tricks I use to draw quickly is to use markers. In this case, I was using Ohuhu brand markers, and there you have it, half of Itachi's face in just 1 hour. Now let's take a little more time to bring the other half to life, which will be a bit more detailed and realistic. When it comes to drawing in a realistic style, patience and observation are key. Let's take the necessary time to capture every face, every shadow, every texture, every light, and bring the character to life. By the end of this video, you'll be commenting, "Oh my god, here I take the time to color even the cloak, add texture to the hair with Faber-Castell super soft pencils, bring the hair to life with shadows and highlights, and add a bit more realism. I even color the background a little as well." I also add a bit of texture to the ninja bandana to make it look more realistic. And that's it. After 10 hours of meticulous work, we have completed our realistic version of Itachi Uchiha. Remember that art takes time and practice. Thank you for coming along with me on this art project. I hope you liked it, and if so, subscribe so you don't miss the next videos.